Hi students, this is the continuation video of the previous one, data preparation. The next we are going to see about types of data analysis. So there are two distinctive types of analysis. First one is qualitative data analysis techniques and quantitative data analysis techniques. Now we are going to see what is qualitative data analysis techniques. So this qualitative, from the word quality, it defines the quality of the data. So qualitative data refers to the non-numeric information such as interview transcripts, notes, video, audio recordings, images and text documents. So this is about the qualitative research. This qualitative data analysis can be divided into following 5 categories. So these qualitative data analysis is classified as 5 categories. First one is content analysis. This is the process of categorizing verbal or behavioral data. So in order to classify, summarize and tabulate the data. So verbal or behavioral data, it is being used and it's being processed. So it comes under the content analysis. Then number 2 is narrative analysis. This is simply the reformulation of stories or cases presented by the respondents, which is taking into account the context of each case and different experience of the each respondents. So by the narrating of the respondents, we are taking this kind of quality of data. Then third one is discourse analysis. This method of analysis is of naturally occurring talk and all types of written text. So talk and all types of written text, that is a discourse analysis. Fourth one is framework analysis. This is one of the more advanced method which has several stages such as familiarization, identifying a thematic framework, coding, charting, mapping and interpretation. In the previous video itself we saw what is a coding and how you have to record all those. Coming to the fifth one, grounded theory. So this is the method of a quality data analysis. Starts with an analysis of a single case, and therefore with that single case they to formulate a theory part. Okay, so these are the 5 categories of qualitative data analysis. Now we are going to see about qualitative research features, measurability and characteristics. First, we are going to see whether it can be measurable or not, whether this qualitative research or data can be used for analysis part. Measurability is not possible or difficult to measure because all these are qualitative data, so we can't measure. It is very difficult. We'll see the features of qualitative research. So it is a kind of exploratory research. In simple, it's an exploratory kind of research. Characteristics like sample size used is usually small because to a small number of respondents we are going for the qualitative research, and unstructured questionnaire is used for data collection. So all these questionnaires are not structured, it is unstructured. So you can't measure those qualitative research. So there are 4 major techniques in the qualitative research. These are some of the analysis or tools used in the qualitative kind of research. First one is depth interview, then Delphi technique and focus groups and projective techniques. So these are the 4 major techniques in the qualitative research. Now we are going to say about the quantitative research. From the word itself, quantity in numbers or in a numerical form. So quantitative methods are emphasizes objective measurements and the statistical, mathematical or numerical analysis of data collected through polls, questionnaires and surveys, or by manipulating the pre-existing statistical data using computational techniques. So this is about the quantitative research. Now we are going to see about the analysis of quantitative research. These are some of the 5 analysis which is used in the quantitative kind of research. First one is descriptive, where descriptive analysis provides information on the basic qualities of data, and also it includes the descriptive statistics. So here I have mentioned includes descriptive statistics such as range, minimum, maximum and frequency. So these kind of analysis are in numerical form. Next one is the measures of central tendency and standard deviation, then inferential analysis and normal distribution. I hope you know all these terms very well in the statistical classes. Next we are going to see about the quantitative research features, measurability and characteristics. So as it is on a quantitative data, so quantitative research can be measurable. It is possible to measure, or with this type of data you can go for analysis. For example, size of the market. So it is very important for a market research. So size of the market is very important, and the rate of product usage. So how frequent the product is being used by the customers. So these are some of the quantitative data which is in the numerical form. Now we're going to see about the features. Number one, data collected is numerical in nature, so in numbers. Then number two, data collection methods are some methods like mail questionnaire. Can go for a mail questionnaire. Questionnaire can be sent through mail. And personal interview, that is the interview can directly go and have collect the data from the respondents directly, or else it can also be a telephonic interviews. Questionnaires can be asked through telephone. Okay, then characteristics. Number one is sample size used is very large. As it involves the numerical form, the sample size is very large, and it can also be measured. Then structured questionnaire is used for the data collection. Since it is a numerical form, structured questionnaire is advisable and it is being used for the data collection. So these are the quantitative research features, characteristics and measurability. Now we are going to see the difference between qualitative data analysis and quantitative data analysis. Here I have given only 3 snapshots of the basis of the difference. First one is focus, and second one is sample design, and third one is interpretation. But in notes you can take it clear detailedly about what is the difference between the quantitative and qualitative data analysis. Number one, focus. So under the qualitative data it is understand and interpret, but whereas in the quantitative data analysis it can be used for describing or explaining or predicting the future. So these are some of the basis of difference between qualitative and quantitative data. Second one is sample design. Under the qualitative data it is non-probability one and a very purposive one, but under the quantitative it is probability. Finally, coming to the interpretation, it relies on the interpretation and logic. Based upon the logic, they go for the conclusion or suggestion. The qualitative researchers present their analysis using text and arguments based upon their experience. But whereas coming under the quantitative data, this analysis relies purely on statistics, as the quantitative research use the graphs, tables to present their analysis and argument. Okay.